Being an established car manufacturer comes with its perks, particularly in the realm of archives. Old companies possess vast repositories of discontinued car models, akin to a gold mine. Toyota recently reintroduced the Toyota Crown, while Ford revived the Maverick. Now, Toyota is resurrecting another gem. The Century SUV. Renowned for chauffeuring presidents and billionaires, the Century is often hailed as Japan's answer to Rolls-Royce. As per Japan's premier car magazine, Toyota is gearing up to launch an SUV variant of this iconic model, causing a stir in the industry. Before delving into the specifics, let's delve into the history of the Toyota Century. Introduced in 1967, it marked Japan's inaugural domestically produced luxury chauffeur vehicle. Despite its opulence, it remained relatively obscure outside Japan, catering primarily to the affluent and influential within the country. Its moniker pays homage to Sakichi Toyota, the company's centenarian founder at the time of its launch. Reintroducing this vehicle is a significant internal milestone, often dubbed the halo product within the company. Priced at 20 million yen, approximately $152,000, the Century epitomizes exclusivity, offering an unparalleled experience for passengers in its heyday. Its enduring appeal in Japan's automotive landscape led to a 3-decade tenure before undergoing a redesign. The subsequent generation, albeit similar in layout, boasted a bespoke 5.0-liter V12 engine, a pioneering feat in Japan's automotive history. With over half a century since its inception, rumors abound about a forthcoming redesign, fueling anticipation within the automotive community. Toyota is preparing to unveil an SUV iteration of the Century, capitalizing on the soaring demand for luxury vehicles like Rolls-Royce. Following the successful debut of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Toyota aims to enter the competitive market with a longer Century model featuring 2 rows of seating, promising ample space for passengers. However, it's the array of features that sets this car apart. Best Car suggests that, like its predecessor, the Crown, the Century must evolve to meet contemporary preferences, especially as high-end clientele increasingly favor SUVs for their daily commutes. Toyota's goal is to develop a versatile structure capable of accommodating both traditional engine and electric models, similar to the Lexus TX. While a dedicated electric vehicle chassis might offer efficiency, Toyota remains flexible, refraining from committing entirely to electrification. The upcoming Century SUV is anticipated to share the TNGA-K platform with existing models like the Camry, Kluger, Lexus RX, and the forthcoming Crown crossover. This platform primarily supports front-wheel drive, implying potential engine options such as a 3.5-liter V6 or a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, both of which have been utilized in previous vehicles on the same platform. Speculation suggests that a hybrid-assisted 6-cylinder engine would align well with the Century's prestigious lineage. The likeliest powertrain option appears to be a 3.5-liter V6 engine, akin to those found in Lexus models like the LC500H and LS500H, signaling a departure from the classic 5.0-liter V8 engine. The Best Car article suggests that Toyota intends to market the Century SUV for personal use. However, it acknowledges that it might not exude the same imposing presence as its sedan counterpart due to the absence of a V8 engine. Opting for a V6 engine is deemed more suitable for personal use, as a V8 would be considered excessive. Toyota aims to attract buyers from the Crown to the Century SUV. It's reported that the new Century SUV will boast a wheelbase of approximately 3 meters, surpassing that of the J300 Land Cruiser. Additionally, it is expected to be slightly slimmer by about 3 centimeters and shorter in height by 20 centimeters. Rumors suggest that Toyota's ultimate flagship SUV will measure 1 meter and 95 centimeters wide, 1 meter and 75 centimeters in height, and weigh roughly 2,200 kilograms. Perhaps the most surprising speculation is that the Century SUV will feature 4-wheel drive, with a horizontally mounted engine. Dubbed the Japanese Rolls-Royce, this vehicle is renowned for its massive size, robust interior and exterior design, and prestigious ownership, including 5 units owned and utilized by the Japanese royal family. It's engineered to provide ample space for passengers to comfortably stretch out and enjoy a quiet ride through bustling Tokyo streets, with meticulous soundproofing ensuring uninterrupted serenity. The design emphasizes width and a low profile, enabling graceful entry for passengers wearing traditional kimono attire. Handcrafted with wool seats, it shuns leather for its association with less dignity in Japanese culture. Each Century undergoes meticulous hand painting, with only 4 qualified individuals in Japan capable of achieving the desired black mirror finish. Despite being the epitome of luxury and quality in Japan, the Century is designed for understated elegance, in stark contrast to the flamboyance associated with brands like Lamborghini. Reflecting Japanese cultural values, it prioritizes discretion and dignity in transporting dignitaries and heads of state through the streets with quiet grace. It seems that the vehicles will be offered in 2 variants. One designed for personal use and the other tailored for chauffeured travel, commonly referred to as black paint. The Century SUV also surprises with its unexpectedly affordable price, as predicted by Best Car Web. They project the vehicle's price to fall within the range of 10 million yen, approximately $76,000, to 15 million yen, around $114,000. As for the vehicle's distribution, Toyota purportedly intends to initially sell the Century SUV domestically. However, details are scarce regarding potential exports to other countries. While there's a possibility of introducing the vehicle to other markets, the rumored pricing aligns closely with the new Lexus LX 600, making it less probable for Toyota to bring it to the North American market for competition. With only 3 generations in its 56-year history, the Century's continuity is deeply entrenched in Japanese culture. There were even reports suggesting that the current generation almost didn't materialize, slated to end after the 2nd generation, but influential figures, including Akio Toyota, advocated for a successor. The Century SUV is unlikely to replace the sedan outright. Both models might coexist, offering Toyota a diverse lineup to rival high-end European SUVs from brands like Rolls-Royce and Lamborghini. Given the model's longevity, it's highly likely that the current version, which has been available for only 5 years, will persist. While it's improbable for the current 3rd-generation Century to be replaced so early in its life cycle, it wouldn't be surprising to see Toyota expanding its lineup with a second vehicle, particularly an SUV, amid significant changes to its mainstream lineup and iconic nameplates. What are your thoughts on these reports? Share your opinions in the comments below.